Good morning, dear students. Today we will do the lab activity of chapter Combustion and Flame. In this activity, we will discuss the different zones of the candle flame. As you know, dear students, that there are three different zones of the candle flame. The outermost, it is called the non-luminous zone, the middle zone and the inner zone. The outermost zone of the candle flame is called the non-luminous zone. The middle layer is called the luminous zone and the innermost is the black zone. So a candle flame has three zones. Now a burning substance when vaporizes produces a flame. Now we can do a simple activity to test the different zones of the candle flame. What we will do? We will take a thin copper wire, hold it with the help of tongs, and we heat it on the outermost part of the candle flame. We can see that the outermost zone of the flame is blue in color. When we heat the copper wire by holding it with the tongs on the outermost layer, on the outermost zone, after some time of 30 to 35 seconds after heating, we will find that the copper wire becomes red hot. Now why this happens? This happens because it becomes red hot. Why? Because on heating the outermost non-luminous zone, it undergoes complete combustion and there occurs no residue. No residue is found on the non-luminous zone, and as a result the copper wire, it burns and becomes red hot. So if we touch the copper wire, we will find that it becomes red hot in non-luminous zone. So non-luminous zone has the highest temperature. The highest temperature is in the non-luminous zone. Now in the second part, what we have to do? We will take a glass plate. Now again we hold it with the pair of tongs and we keep it on the middle zone, that is the luminous zone. Now for keeping the glass plate for about 30 seconds, we find that the black residue is collected on the glass plate. Now you can see the black residue collected on the glass plate. Now why this happens? This happens because the luminous zone, it is yellow in color and it undergoes incomplete combustion. It has unburned carbon particles due to which the black residue is collected on the glass plate. It has lower temperature and the black residue is collected on the glass plate, which we can see by like this, right? And on the inner layer is the dark zone. The inner layer is black in color due to the presence of unburned carbon particles. And the inner black zone, it has the lowest temperature. So from this activity, it is clear that there are three zones of the candle flame. Outermost, it is the non-luminous, and the copper wire, when we keep the copper wire on the non-luminous zone, it burns and becomes red hot. The middle is the luminous zone, and when we keep the glass plate on the middle zone, it becomes the black ring, or we can see black deposition of carbon particles, and the inner layer is black. It is called the black zone. So there are three zones of the candle flame. I hope now the activity is clear to you. Learn the activity and also learn the MCQs given in the same activity. Thank you. Have a nice day.